over the past years, many of our peoples have benefited in significant ways from the cooperation between the Kingdom of Morocco and the government and peoples of the Eastern Caribbean states. This is just one other example in which we continue to build capacities for the region. Agriculture, as we see it, is a very important vehicle by which we can continue to contribute to the GDP of the region. We also see agriculture as a means of self-sufficiency and a means of assisting or playing a greater role in the development of the wider Caribbean region. And the Kingdom of Morocco has been very kind. I also would want to say words of congratulation and commendation to the graduates who would have participated in this course of study over the past few weeks and would have gained much knowledge from the interaction with the experts here in Morocco. During my meeting with them earlier this week, I was advised that the experiences were varied and very interesting, and also I want to urge them and implore them in many ways upon their return to share the knowledge that they would have gained with their fellow colleagues, farmers and otherwise, and to also ensure that the policymakers are brought into the mix and advised as to how we can use agriculture to propel the development of the country. And so, on that note, I really want to say congratulations to the graduates, thanks to the Kingdom of Morocco, and the OECS Embassy stands ready in support of all of the programs that are offered. Thank you very much.